Look at this.
Good gracious.
Wow. Smoky.
Mm. We're gonna try out BURG Steakhouse.
It's like steaks and burgers.
Upstairs.
It's like a
Open at 11, serving lunch.
Probably another minute. Yeah. Thank you, though. So what? You don't want frozen?
The bread is delicious. Look at that. Melt in your mouth.
And it comes with the butter, right?
And the honey butter. Look at that.
You got the what? Rum?
No, I got the River Rock Rum Runner.
The River Rock Rum Runner. And she got the First Taste of Love. And Mom, you got what? The Mama Bear?
That's right.
And it comes with pineapple, orange, rum, and what else?
And orange juice.
Yum.
Yes. So this is a brand new steakhouse. It's very elegant, and they have a salad bar and soup and salad for $19.99. Look at those cool chairs. There's the salad bar. Let's see. And I know a lot of you have been looking for a salad bar. Well, look at that. Don't that look delicious? Check out the salad bar. The pasta salad, potato salad. Don't that look delicious? And look at those good old fresh bacon bits.
Look at that salad.
I hadn't had a good salad bar in a long time. This is so delicious. It's got bacon, pasta salad, cucumbers, banana peppers, everything you can think of. Cottage cheese.
Man, I got a lot of the same. And they set us right here where we can see the street view.
Let's see. Mashed potatoes, brown gravy, and baked potato. Ooh. Oh, cool. So this is a vegetable medley. That's very good. You can see from the steam. You might want to stand right here in front of them.
Okay, what's this?
This is mushrooms, button mushrooms, and green bean casseroles on the other side, but we'll get to that. Oh, sweet potato casserole.
Sweet potato casserole.
Later on.
What's that? All right, and here is, dressing.
And they have butter corn on the other side of
Oh, no, this is
sweet
loaded.
potato casserole.
This is loaded potato casserole.
Huh?
Loaded potato casserole.
Loaded potato casserole.
Okay.
And then next beside that is
macaroni and cheese.
mac
Let me try
and
some with it.
cheese. All right.
Okay.
Oops. And on the other side of that is the brown gravy. I don't know if you can see it.
Yep, with the mashed potatoes. And then look at here. A good looking potato. I'll come back and get that.
Baked potato.
Okay.
Right.
Well, and Dad, here's some
And what is this?
loaded potato soup.
Loaded potato soup.
You want to hold it? No.
All right.
Look at here. See? Those nice potatoes.
That does look good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Might have to come back and get some of that. Hold on, baby.
Oh, you got something else?
And then
I can show this side.
here's the gravy.
There's the gravy.
Here's the mashed potato.
All right. I like that. That's what I'm going to get.
Corn on the cob.
String bean
beans.
casserole.
And butter squash.
Roasted butter squash.
You got it?
I got it.
Okay. Let me get this.
All in the convenient location right here at the bar.
So Brennan went with the smoked duck.
That's the process. Bring my fork down.
The French dip.
And Brayton went with the French dip. And it comes with French fries. Imagine that. French dip and French fries.
Yep, we're ready. Look at this.
Good gracious.
Wow. Smoky.
Mm.
Mm.
I'll take it.
Beatbox wants the smell of vision.
Thank you.
Wow.
Woo. Now what is this?
It's the old-fashioned smoked old-fashioned.
Smoked old fashioned. Hey, that's a creme brulee.
Brennan, what is it?
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee. Taste it. Yeah, she does. Taste it, Brennan.
I'll taste it with this one.
For the chili
Pick up
festival.
this spoon.
All right, let's see what she thinks. Okay.
The ice cream pudding.
Ice cream pudding. Brennan, what does it taste like?
Creme brulee.
Okay. And it's a free brownie to go home with. Because your dessert here is free. Y'all like that, kids?
Love it.
It looks yummy.
That was a look at BURG Steakhouse right here in downtown GATLINGBURG on the Strip. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you click that subscribe button to keep up with what's going on. Hit that bell notification. It'll alert you of all the videos that we post, and we post weekly. Until next time.
We'd say keep beaching, but today we're going to say take a hike.